Hey guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a new crochet braid style, you guys. So I have not done crochet braids in a little minute, maybe like a month or two. So yeah, the last video I showed you guys was the last time that I had crochet braids in. So I'm super excited about today's video. So thank you so much to Samsbeauty for sending me this hair to review. This is the Authentic brand Distressed Locks Curly Tips in 22 inches in the color 1B. This is what the stock card looks like. This Authentic brand, I never really see anywhere else besides Samsbeauty. So I've never seen it like in my own beauty supply store. So I don't know if it's just like a Samsbeauty thing or if it's just, or if you can find it at other places like Ebony Line and stuff like that. But I will link the hair down below in the description box for you guys so you can check it out. So in each pack you get 24 strands and they sent me 6 packs and I used all 6 packs, sis. Like I used a lot. Like honestly, I would say buy 7 because when I started getting nervous, like when I got to this side of my head and tried to space them out a little bit more. But you guys know, like with my crochet braids, even though these are locks and I can't like split the hair, I still do my traditional method of like spacing. So I would say buy 7 packs. And that way you don't have to be nervous about if you're gonna run out or not. If you buy 6, just know like space it out appropriately or you're gonna run out of hair. So yeah, super cute. I'm gonna show you guys a little video clip of me installing these so you guys can see my braid pattern and stuff. So let's go ahead and jump right into that.
I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we have. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you call me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. You know I loved you, but you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we had. I've been thinking that you had to go around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. Thinking about us. Thinking about us. Thinking about us. Thinking about us. And I'm trying to move on from you. Yeah, I'm trying to move on from you. And I'm trying to let go of you. Really, I'm trying to move on from you. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side.
I hope that little tutorial was helpful for you. It was my first time really using the crochet, like the actual crochet beater, you know, like the green and yellow or green and pink one, for an actual style. So when I very first started using crochet braids, wearing crochet braids, I used that crochet latch hook, for a little bit or like maybe the whole style, but then I was like, I really can't be bothered to use it because it snags my hair so much, which is why I went to the beater. However, for this particular style, and I would say for any type of faux lock, faux twist, braid that comes in the crochet style, you really have to use the latch hook or you're not going to be able to get the hair through the loop at the beginning. So if you guys noticed, for one of the ones I was installing, I like kind of missed a part of the loop. I may end up cutting that out of the video, but yeah, just so you know, you will need to use like the actual crochet latch hook because that's the only way you're going to be able to get, your fingers can't fit in the hole here. So if you can't get your 2 fingers in, then you can't pull this through, if that makes sense. So you have to use the hook. That's the only way to like pull the tip through so it can be knotted. And I knotted them just one time. If you guys want to do it twice, you can, but honestly, there's really no need to loop it through twice. Looping it through once is totally fine. The hair, it's, for one, it's a lock. And then for 2, it's like a coarser texture. So it's very secure. You don't need to worry about doubling and tripling the number of knots at the base. So yeah, you guys were able to see my braiding pattern. I have 14 braids if you guys couldn't count that. So 7 here, 7 here. I did not crisscross the middle just because I knew that I was not going to be wearing these in a part. I will be wearing these in a flip over method like I have now, and then like a half up, half down kind of thing. So yeah, I'm sorry about the lighting, you guys. This one over here is acting crazy. So if it keeps going in and out, that is why. But yeah, so I think that's pretty much it about this hair. It is, let me show you guys the length, 22 inches. So it comes right about to your waist. These are bomb, you guys. Like, this is my first time wearing locks, or really wearing any type of crochet style that's either a lock, a twist, or a braid. I've never done any of those before. So yeah, I really, really like them. I think they look very pretty. They're very different. I will tell you guys the weight. That's one of the reasons why I've never worn this style, is because of the weight. So it is heavy, but it's not any heavier than if you were to get regular braids or twists or locks or whatever. So if you are good and you can normally handle that weight on your head, you won't have an issue with this. But this is definitely heavier than the styles that I show you guys on my Fake It Till You Make It playlist. Those styles like the Fruit Dress Miracle Curl and like Aruba Curl, Fluffy Wand Curl, all those are super duper light. I mean, like, you feel like you have nothing on your head, okay? So this, you can definitely feel the weight. It's not super heavy, like, oh my God, my head, I can't hold my neck, but yeah, it's heavier than like a regular crochet that I'll show you guys. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say about this. I'm gonna link the hair in the description box down below, and the price, I don't know off the top of my head, but I'm assuming somewhere around $6 a pack for these. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video, which is also gonna be a crochet. So I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Bye guys.